Get ready to witness the all-new 2026 Kia Telluride, completely redesigned to take over the road. From stunning, bold styling and cutting-edge hybrid power, to a tech-packed interior and unmatched safety feature, this SUV is set to dominate the three-row segment. Stick around to see why the future of family driving starts now. Exterior design. The exterior design evolution maintains the bold character that made the original Telluride distinctive, while pushing the aesthetic in a more commanding direction. The current generation established its reputation with squared-off proportions and signature vertical lighting elements that helped redefine mainstream SUV design. The 2026 model builds on this foundation with a noticeably more upright stance and boxier silhouette that emphasizes traditional SUV proportions. Even under heavy camouflage during testing, the new model reveals flatter surfaces and a more vertical greenhouse that draws comparisons to premium SUVs while maintaining approachable design cues. Front-end styling varies significantly across trim levels, with the adventure-focused X-Pro variant featuring chunky all-terrain tires, a bold lattice pattern grille, raised roof rails, and functional recovery hooks that signal serious off-road capability. Road-focused variants adopt a cleaner approach with streamlined vertical grille elements and refined bumper treatments. Both configurations share new lighting technology inspired by the EV9, including distinctive vertical LED signatures in both headlights and taillights. Modern touches like flush door handles, also borrowed from Kia's electric vehicle lineup, provide contemporary finishing details that enhance the overall design cohesion. Platform improvements include slight increases in both wheelbase and overall dimensions compared to the current generation, matching the growth seen in the recently redesigned Hyundai Palisade. These dimensional increases translate to enhanced interior space and a more commanding road presence without compromising maneuverability in urban environments. Powertrain options. The powertrain lineup represents the most significant technical advancement for the Telluride, with a new 2.5-liter turbocharged hybrid system delivering 329 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. This hybrid setup mirrors the configuration recently introduced in the redesigned Hyundai Palisade, combining a turbocharged four-cylinder engine with dual electric motors for enhanced performance and efficiency. The new 2.5-liter turbocharged gas engine provides a 5% improvement in thermal efficiency and a 12% higher output compared to previous models. Highway fuel economy estimates approach 30 miles per gallon, representing a substantial improvement over the current V6-only configuration while delivering superior performance. The hybrid system maintains strong towing capability at approximately 5,000 pounds, making it suitable for recreational trailers, boats, and weekend adventure gear. Beyond fuel savings, the hybrid configuration offers enhanced torque delivery from its electric motors and improved traction control systems, providing smoother and more responsive performance in challenging weather conditions and light off-road situations. The traditional gasoline option continues with the familiar 3.8-liter V6 engine, though likely with output adjusted to match the Palisade's 287 horsepower specification. This proven power plant remains paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, maintaining smooth power delivery and confident acceleration characteristics. Towing capacity for V6-equipped models should continue at up to 5,500 pounds, particularly when equipped with X-Line or X-Pro trim packages designed for enhanced capability. Both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations will be offered across the lineup, though industry speculation suggests all-wheel drive may become standard equipment on hybrid variants and upper trim levels, especially those positioned for all-weather and off-road use. Interior comfort and technology. Interior improvements represent a comprehensive upgrade that brings the Telluride's cabin technology and refinement in line with luxury segment expectations. Dual 12.3-inch displays for driver instrumentation and infotainment function are expected as standard equipment across most trim levels, featuring Kia's latest software interface with improved responsiveness and intuitive operation. Over-the-air update capability ensures that maps, features, and system performance can be enhanced without dealership visits, keeping the vehicle current throughout its ownership cycle. Kia's practical approach to interior controls maintains physical knobs and buttons for essential climate functions, rather than forcing these interactions through touchscreen menus. This design philosophy prioritizes everyday usability with tactile controls for temperature, fan speed, and airflow adjustment that can be operated without taking attention away from driving. Connectivity features include standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, expanded USB-C port availability, faster charging capabilities, and dual wireless phone chargers in upper trim levels. Kia's digital key system enables smartphone-based vehicle access, starting, and operation, while available 360-degree camera systems with three-dimensional views and upgraded heads-up displays enhance both convenience and safety. Material quality improvements span the entire cabin, with more soft-touch surfaces, refined ambient lighting, and enhanced seat padding across all seating positions. The range-topping SX Prestige trim elevates luxury content with premium Napa leather, ventilated second-row seating, and an advanced panoramic sound system designed to transform road trips into premium audio experiences. Family-focused features remain central to the Telluride's appeal, with second-row captain's chairs continuing as available equipment and third-row accommodations maintaining spaciousness and accessibility through intelligent sliding seat mechanisms. Storage solutions continue as strong points, with power folding seats, underfloor compartments, and clever organizational features likely returning with further refinement. Safety technology. Safety technology builds on the current generation's comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert. The 2026 model enhances these capabilities with upgraded sensors and more refined semi-autonomous driving function. An updated version of Kia's Highway Driving Assist provides more confident steering, acceleration, and braking on controlled access highways, with potential hands-free driving features available on higher trim levels. Over-the-air update capability extends to safety and driving assistance systems, allowing the vehicle to receive enhanced functionality and refined performance throughout its service life. This approach ensures that the Telluride improves over time, rather than becoming technologically static. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Kia Telluride is scheduled to debut in late 2025, with US sales beginning in January 2026. Production continues at Kia's West Point, Georgia facility, maintaining the model's designation as domestically manufactured and avoiding potential import tariff impacts. This domestic production status provides pricing stability and supports local manufacturing employment. While official pricing hasn't been announced, industry expectations suggest modest increases from current levels. The current Telluride starts in the mid-30s and tops out around $55,000, with the 2026 model likely starting closer to $39,000 and potentially reaching $60,000 for fully equipped X-Pro hybrid variants. Recent tax legislation provides potential benefits for buyers of domestically assembled vehicles, with possible deductions for loan interest up to $10,000 annually for qualifying income level. The competitive landscape includes strong alternatives like the Honda Pilot, Toyota Grand Highlander, and Ford Explorer, but few rivals match Kia's combination of value, distinctive styling, interior space, and now electrified performance. If the hybrid system delivers expected efficiency and performance benefits, the Telluride could establish itself as the most well-rounded offering in the three-row SUV segment. The 2026 Kia Telluride represents everything enthusiasts have requested from the next generation. Bold new styling communicates capability and sophistication, while the modern interior combines intuitive technology with premium materials and practical functionality. Available hybrid power addresses efficiency concerns without compromising performance, while expanded technology and enhanced safety features ensure the vehicle remains current with evolving customer expectations. Whether upgrading from an older SUV, comparing against latest three-row alternatives, or seeking premium features within reasonable budgets, the next-generation Telluride deserves serious consideration. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.